What is the ad? Is it real? Should I? Here goes nothing.
I have to do this. Are you sure? Yes, it's time. Wait, what's that sound?
Guys, today I'm going to show you only free AI tools. Today we are going to build our own AI video generator, so don't skip this video. First of all, go to this YouTube channel. Now check its videos. If you go to the popular section, you'll see millions of views. 58 million, 37 million, 50 million, 26 million, millions of views. This channel creates long-form videos, and guys, if we talk about its earnings, it is making approximately 5.2k USD monthly, which is very high. This video is called Sam Green. This channel has approximately 4.22 million subscribers on only 278 videos. On 278 videos, it has 4.22 million subscribers. Guys, along with long videos, it also uploads short videos. Check it out. Some videos have thousands of views and many have millions of views. Now look at its content. It is in Minecraft style and Roblox style. It has mixed everything naturally. Today, we will convert this into a complete story video so that you can create your own channel. So today, I have brought you this tool. Don't skip the video. Guys, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. It includes Minecraft cartoon style, character consistency, character outfit, body style, character enhancement, video structure, and output format. Everything is included. Simply copy this, paste it into ChatGPT, and click on Generate. As you click Generate, ChatGPT will first give you a story with a consistent character, and then it will generate scenes. In each scene, you will get video description, image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, and everything. So guys, everything is ready for you. Now let's focus on our main tool. Now we are going to create our own AI video generator with the help of a free AI tool. So I'll tell you one thing, guys. Do not skip this video. And without wasting any time, let's move to our tool. So guys, today the tool we are going to use is called Opal AI. Opal AI is one of the best Google websites from where you can generate your own AI video generator or image generator. I will provide its link in the description. Simply, you have to log in. As soon as you log in, if you look below, you will see a gallery. Here, you will find many AI tools like Google Calendar and fashion stylists. It will generate a complete AI app for you. You can click here, but since we want to create our own AI video generator, we will not find it here. We need to go to the top. Here, you will find the Create New option. Simply click on Create New. When you click here, you will see options like User Input, Generate Output, and Add Assets. It will say, Let's build your app. You can also generate a demo from here. Today, we are going to generate our app, and for that, you will need a prompt. I will give that prompt in the description. Simply copy that prompt. Everything is already included in the prompt, like output, experiment, movement, and more. Just copy it. After copying, go to the Opal app, which is a Google website, and paste it there. After pasting, you will see an arrow icon. Click on Generate. Now it will start loading. It will take around 1 to 1.5 minutes to generate your app. It takes a little time, not too much. You can see the process in front of you. I'm not skipping anything. I will just make it a little faster. I am not skipping anything. Your own AI video generator will be ready in a few moments. Please support us, because we are not getting enough support on our previous videos. We really need your support because we always bring free AI tools for you. So guys, in a few moments, your AI video generator will be ready in front of you. Now you can see the loading is complete, and you will see options like Video Ideas Mode, Visual Style, Duration, Reference Image, Craft, Generate Cinematic Video, and Display Generated Videos. If you look on the right side, you will see your tool in front of you named VO Creator. This means your app has been generated. From here, you can now generate unlimited videos. You will see a Start option. Simply click on the Start option. As soon as you click, you will need one important thing. You have to go back to the same channel, Sam Green's channel, and take a screenshot of the character so that our video can maintain a consistent style. So guys, I go back to the channel. After going back, I take a screenshot of any character. Then again, I come back to Opal. After coming back, I upload the screenshot here. We will upload it at the end, not now. First of all, I go to ChatGPT. After going to ChatGPT, you will find Scene 1 prompt. You have to copy from visual description to voiceover, then come to Opal and paste it into the prompt box. After that, click Next. Here, you will see video mode. You can select any mode. I select 2D cartoon style. If you want cartoon style or 3D style, it will generate accordingly. Click Next, then you will see visual options. You can choose cinematic or any type you want. I choose cinematic video and click Next. After that, you will see video length. You can select any length, but this app generates best and fast at 8 seconds, so I select 8 seconds. Then comes reference image. Now I select the reference image. After selecting, simply click on Generate. Your first video will start generating. It starts analyzing your prompt and understands what type of video we want, and it will generate accordingly. So guys, you can see the video generation has started. It will be ready shortly. It has started thinking, and after thinking, it will start the generation. Now you can see the next stage of generation has also started. In a few moments, your first video will be ready. So guys, now your first video is ready. Check the result. It has generated a perfect video, fully cinematic 2D cartoon style. No one can stop you from monetization with this. If you maintain consistent style, YouTube will monetize your content. You can see your first video is ready and how it has generated a complete structure like a proper app. After reviewing, simply right-click and click on Save as Video to download it. Now your first video is ready. On the right side, you will see a refresh arrow. Click on it. Next, you have to follow the same process. If you want, you can upload the image reference first, but it is better to upload it at the end. Simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, then go to video mode and select cartoon style. Then go to visual aesthetic and choose cinematic or whatever you prefer. Then set the duration to 8 seconds. Then go to reference and upload your image. Then simply click on Generate. Now your second video will start generating. In a few moments, it will be ready. You can see the generation has started. Our goal is that you use this tool for free as much as possible while it is free. We always bring free AI tools daily so that you can generate videos, edit them, upload on YouTube automation, and earn from it. Our only request is your support. Please like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. These 4 things we need from you. Some people do it, some don't, but we need full support from you. Now you can see the next video is 70% generated. It will be ready shortly, and then we will preview it. So guys, now the next video is also ready. See how professionally it has generated. It looks amazing and beautiful. I really liked it, and you will like it too. The character is exactly the same as we provided. There are no changes. It has generated it beautifully. Now I copy the prompt again and paste it. Then I go to video mode, select 2D style, go to video style, choose cinematic, set duration to 8 seconds, and click Generate. Now the next generation has started. In a few moments, your video will be ready. Please wait. You can see the generation has started. 4%, 2, 5 seconds. The first video takes around 1 to 2 minutes, and after that, it takes only around 1 minute to generate videos. You can see the process in front of you. I am not skipping anything. The video is generating very fast. This is a great opportunity. Come here and create your own app. This app will be permanently saved in your ID. When you go back, your app will still be there. Now you can see our third video is ready. It looks professional and amazing. Simply right-click and save the video. 4. The next clips follow the same process. Click Start, copy the prompt, paste it, give instructions, upload reference image, and click Generate. Your video will be ready in a few moments. So guys, today we created our own AI video generator using a prompt, and then we generated cinematic, ultra-wide, beautiful videos from it. If you liked this tool, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.